We'll guide you through how to download and install the SKLauncher for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I really like this launcher as it's got great integration of different mod loaders. So it's important to note you do need to go and own Minecraft in order to go and do this. Now open a web browser of your choice and we can go and search for SKLauncher like so and come to the site. Now what we need to do is go to the top and you can press downloads. There are going to be ads which we can go and close off. Select the version you use, I use Windows, and wait for the download. Press download installer and wait. Open up your file explorer and here it is. You then want to go and double click on it and we can go through the installer, press install and the process will begin. You can see it's complete, we'll press launch and press finish and now it should open. You'll need to go and press login with Microsoft and go and log in with the account that you use for Minecraft. You can go to the left and go and use one of these pre-added options, or you can press the plus, choose a mod loader. So I could go and use Forge for example. You can then choose the version and then you can go and press save. And there it is, we've now got custom and you can go and press play in the bottom left. When it's finished downloading, it should then go and launch.